Welcome to the ultimate guide on travel hacks for booking cheap flights. Whether you're planning a spontaneous weekend getaway or a long-awaited vacation, saving on airfare is key to stretching your travel budget. Let's dive into some proven strategies that can help you score those low fares. First up, flexibility is your best friend. If you can be flexible with your travel dates, you're more likely to find lower prices. Use fare comparison tools that allow you to search by the entire month instead of specific dates. Often, flying midweek is cheaper than on weekends, so consider adjusting your schedule accordingly. Next, always clear your browser cookies or use incognito mode when searching for flights. Airlines can track your searches and might increase prices based on demand. By using incognito mode, you can avoid price hikes and see the best deals available. Here's a tip. Consider alternative airports. Larger cities often have multiple airports, and flying into or out of a smaller one can save you a significant amount. Just be sure to factor in any additional transportation. Can save you a significant amount. Another great strategy is to book flights well in advance, but keep an eye on price drops. Set up fare alerts through travel websites. They'll notify you when prices drop for your chosen route, so you won't miss a deal. Also, consider using budget airlines. While they might not offer the same amenities as larger carriers, the savings can be substantial. Just be mindful of additional fees for luggage or seat selection, which can add up. Timing is crucial when booking flights. Generally, the best time to book is around 6 to 8 weeks before your departure. Some studies suggest that Tuesdays and Wednesdays are the best days to find cheap fares. Airlines often announce deals on Monday evenings, leading to lower prices on these days. Finally, don't overlook loyalty programs and credit card points. If you travel frequently, join airline loyalty programs to earn miles and take advantage of exclusive deals. Some credit cards also offer travel rewards that can be redeemed for flights or hotel stays. To wrap up, remember that booking cheap flights takes a bit of research and strategy. By being flexible, using the right tools, and keeping an eye on prices, you can find great deals that leave you with more to spend on your adventures. If you're looking for a site where you can discover cheap flights and hotels, be sure to check the description or the first comment below. Safe travels and happy booking!